Welcome to Tally Capital Videos. In this video, you will learn how to apply for a business loan in Tally Capital Plugin Release 4.1. The entire loan application process is divided into 5 simple steps. Basic details, eligibility, business KYC, promoter KYC, review, and submit. Let's begin. From the gateway of Tally, press Alt 9 or click Tally Capital. Press L or click Loan Application on the Tally Capital screen. Enter the mobile number followed by the OTP. Once authenticated, you will be taken to the Fetch Details using GSTIN or UIN screen. Enter your GSTIN or UIN and press Ctrl A to save. Once you accept the screen, you will be taken to the Basic Details screen with business details pre-filled as per the GSTIN or UIN provided. Before you proceed with the loan details, you may refer to the information for reference to learn about the minimum and maximum loan amount you can apply for, along with the interest rate range, average disbursal time, processing fee, and the applicable tenures. There is also a section detailing the method of EMI calculation. Enter the loan details. Select the type of loan and enter the loan amount. Agree to the terms and privacy policy by enabling the option. Press Enter or Ctrl A to save the basic details. Once you save the basic details, you will be taken to the eligibility section. In Tally Capital Plugin Release 4.1, you can check your business loan eligibility amount during the application process itself. Under Business Details, enter your GSTIN or UIN and select the segment of your business. The mobile number will be pre-filled with the number you have entered during the login. Agree to the terms and privacy policy by enabling the option. Once you enable the option, your details will be verified and you will receive an OTP from CIBIL. Enter the OTP. Tally Capital add-on now also supports checking eligibility using bank statements. You can upload bank statements of all banks for the last 1 year. Select the account type and upload the bank statement under the file name. Enter the document password, if any. Press Ctrl A to save the eligibility form. It may take up to 45 seconds to generate your business loan eligibility. You can click Yes to wait and view the eligibility until it is generated, or you can click No to proceed. If you click No and proceed, your loan eligibility details will be sent to the given email address. Once you submit the eligibility check form, you will be taken to the Business KYC section. Note that you can now view eligibility details using the right button. Press spacebar to choose a lender and click Proceed on the offer screen. Submit the required documents in the Business KYC section. Press Ctrl A to save the Business KYC details. Once you submit the Business KYC details, you will be taken to the Promoter KYC section. Name of promoter and other details entered under Applicant Details in the eligibility section will be pre-filled here. Enable KYC details and enter the KYC details for the respective promoter. Enter the residential address and PIN code and select the residence type from the list of residence types. Submit the required documents in the Promoter KYC section. Press Ctrl A to save the KYC details for the promoter. You will be taken back to the Promoter KYC section. Enter details of all the promoters, if applicable, and enter their KYC details as done for the previous promoter. Similarly, enter the co-applicant details. Press Ctrl A to save the promoter KYC details. Once you submit the promoter KYC details, you will be taken to the last section of the loan application process, the Review and Submit section. Here, you can review all the details entered in the loan application. Press Alt 5 to view in detailed mode. If you want to alter any information in a specific section, you can directly go to that section using the dedicated write buttons and alter the information. In case the loan amount is more than 20 lakhs, it is recommended to upload GSTR 3B and annual reports. To upload GSTR 3B, press F9. To upload annual reports, press Alt F9. Once you have uploaded the recommended documents and reviewed the loan application details, click Submit. Your loan application will be submitted successfully. Thank you. To know more about Tally Capital Business Loans, visit tallycapital.tallysolutions.com.